Student, it is a practical number 19 of course Stat 711. Here I revised the regression analysis. The statement of the practical following is the data related to the fertilizer used and corn yield. Compute regression line to estimate the yield for fertilizer used. 30 bags, also 3 bags. Also explain the regression coefficient and coefficient of determination, and also discuss the overall significance of the regression model. The observation has been copied in a sheet of SPSS data sheet. The variable first and second has been renamed in variable view, and label also given as fertilizer used and corn yield. Now come on data sheet. Here we go analyze and regression. It is a linear regression. Click on regression, linear regression, and corn yield is depend on fertilizer and rainfall and temperature and so on. One of these factors is fertilizer used. So corn is a dependent variable and fertilizer is a independent variables. Now okay, the output table has been produced here. Regression analysis. These are the tables generated by this experiment. First we explain the last table, that is the table of coefficients. A regression coefficient, that is y is equal to a plus bx. Value of a in the equation y is equal to a plus bx. The value of the intercept a 24.286. It means when we will use no fertilizer, then yield still will be which is 24.286, and regression coefficient of fertilizer used is 6.548. It is the rate of change in fertilizer, rate of change in corn yield due to unit change in fertilizer. If we increase 1 bag of fertilizer, then the increase in corn yield will be 6.548. And here the standard errors of these values of a and b are given, and it is the t values, and the intercept is significant factor, whereas the regression coefficient value of b 0.268, which is not less than 0.05. So fertilizer is a non-significant factor in this model. I think it is only that fertilizer is not the only factor which affect on the corn yield. There are many other factors: water intake, rainfall, soil nutrients, seed rate, bluffing, and so on. There are many other factors which are contribute for corn yield. Therefore, it is a non-significant factor. Only fertilizer is a non-significant factor, whereas the overall significance of this model is also non-significant, which is 0.268, which is greater than 0.05. It is a coefficient of determination 0.203. It means 20.3% contribution in corn yield is of fertilizer. Fertilizer contributes 20.3% for the corn yield. Adjusted R square is used when we have more than one independent variables, that regression coefficients are more than 2. It used for multiple regressions. And what will be the one question is left: what will be the value of corn yield when we have fertilizer 3 bags? Here we write an equation in Excel. You will use it, and you can make the estimate of corn yield when fertilizer is 3 bags. here y is equal to y let me open a Word file here in which we will use it. These informations, any Word file, this one is a Word file. Y is equal to you can use my button of laptop of equal is out of order because you put here the sign of equal and then a I will explain it on SPSS sheet. No. Y is equal to 24.268 plus 0.654x. X is replaced by 3. Then we will calculate the corn yield. That is y is equal to 6.548 plus 24.286 into 3.